ball forward by Newport has been intercepted. Lovely little 1-2-3. Here goes Campbell running towards the edge of the box. Support on the left-hand side from Nick Zerula. Cuts in field, right footed! Oh my goodness! He's done it again! Inside the opening 5 minutes, and Crawley worked it to the left-hand side of the penalty area.
Hi, how are you doing?
Not bad.
Thumbs up. Good man.
Get your phone. Do you want to take it off your mind and send it to me?
Yeah, never easy to be honest after that long out. The lungs were burning a little bit, so trying to get up to speed. So it was a nice feeling afterwards, before and afterwards, knowing that I was playing and obviously getting some minutes, but not so enjoyable while you're out there trying to get back up to speed. Mixed emotions really. I think like we probably didn't do exactly what we are capable of, but then showed like incredible character after the Swindon game to come back and get points. Probably could have had a win in the end, obviously, if we'd have seen it out. But we'll take the point for sure, because Stockport are going to be right up there coming into the season. It's a really tough place to go, so happy in the end. Getting more minutes, helping the lads, trying to contribute and getting some wins on the board. Obviously really excited to be back here on Saturday for the next couple of weeks. And be back in front of the fans. Looking forward to it.
Number 10, Roland Darcy. Number 11, Jack Rolls. Number 25, Nick Zerula. Number 29, Florian.
8 points from 6 league games so far for Crawley, but tonight the Reds turn their attentions to a different competition as they welcome League One Charlton Athletic to the Broadfield for the first group stage game of this season's EFL Trophy. Well, a very good evening everybody from me, Gary Smith, along with my co-commentator Tony Vesey. We are ready to bring you full match commentary and all the action of this Group J game in the EFL Trophy between the Reds of Crawley and the Addicts of Charlton Athletic. Just outside the box, shoots an opportunity onto his left foot, chance for shots, cleared away, breaks it from drive by Forster! Harry Forster has his first goal on Crawley Town shirt, and within 45 seconds, Harry Forster has blasted Crawley Town into the lead in a competition they haven't done overly well in the years, but inside 60 seconds here. After this play that the referee will blow the whistle. Darcy in field, Crawley tried to work it out to that far side. They do get a crossing opportunity, and it comes, headed by Lolos! We will get a goal! We will get a goal before the break. Clyde Lolos has his second Crawley Town goal. Great ball in from the right-hand side, and Lolos just glanced it from the near post, across the goalkeeper and into the corner. Side. Chance maybe to stretch his legs. Rolls has gone on the overlap. Gets it now from Lolos. Here's Jack Rolls. Crossing opportunity. Great ball in. Doesn't quite beat the first man. Kelly plays it. Zerula drives it. Deflection and in! And Crawley are back on level terms. It took a deflection from Nick Zerula, but it goes up and over the top of the goalkeeper. And Crawley, as the clock is just about to hit 70 minutes, that man again, he got the opener against Milton Keynes, and Zerula! Side, Lolos with a great first touch, gets it under control, plays it to Khalil, right hand side of the penalty area, goes on the outside! Raf Khalil into the roof of the net, and Crawley this time have turned it around, and incredibly, they now lead this 7-goal thriller by 4 goals to 3. It is Khalil's first goal of the season, and he absolutely lashed it home right-footed into the roof of the net.
We work on stuff in training, and if we don't do it on a match day, there's no point of working it in training. So of course the gaffer's not going to be happy, and right and all, we just have to start listening as he says, and he knows what he's talking about, because I think since he's come in, he's done unbelievable for us, and it's such a joy to play in this system. So he clearly knows what he wants and what he wants to do, so we need to start. I think we have bought into it, but even the more little things, more so defensively, if we can do that, as he says, we can really shock a few people this year, and I think we already have.
Bit of a competition between everyone. Bit of bragging rights. Who's the most famous person in your phone book that you can shout about?
I can't do that.
No, we can't do that.
I can't do that.
Too many.
Carl Larriman.
Carl Larriman,
Yeah,
fair enough.
yeah.
Scott Lindsay?
Scott Lindsay,
Yeah.
no, don't you?
Brilliant.
Can't do that, it's not fair.
What,
I
too
mean-
many?
Well, hundreds.
Hello, who's that? Madonna? Yeah. How you doing? You okay?
Let me see, C wasn't a very popular letter for me. Danny Crawley, he's at Notts County, he's not famous. He's in there.
Jamie Day.
Jamie Day, Mervyn Day. Do
Day.
you remember him? West
Can't
Ham
say I
United
do.
goalkeeper.
Yes, this is good.
Ralph, come on.
What was the question?
Most famous person in your phone book?
It's got to be a football player.
Doesn't have to be.
Could be anyone, mate. Anyone famous.
I don't know off the top of my
Madonna,
head.
Madonna, innit?
I actually don't know, you know.
What about what's his name? You know, what's his name? Your mate.
Oh yeah, who? I don't know. Probably like Michael Bublé.
Michael Bublé.
Who said Michael Bublé?
Who? Like what? Kano?
Yeah, Kano.
Yeah, not bad. Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt?
Yep.
I mean, if that's true, that's brilliant.
What? Yeah.
That's a good one.
That is a good one.
That's a good one. If it was true.
How?
Don't worry about how.
Is he in there? Definitely.
Yeah.
Right, get your
I'll
phone.
FaceTime him later.
No, get your phone down.
Off charge.
Global superstar, played for one of the biggest clubs in Europe, owns a plane, Liam Kelly.
Could be too hot.
Bit hot, innit?
It definitely is too hot. Oh my god.
Here he is.
Icebox, looking after the stewards.
Oh, Larry, you look very slaggy with the back. The old
Morning, afternoon, whatever.
you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? Someone just starting.
Two-nil Crawley. I think Adam Campbell.
Nice, Matt.
3-1 Crawley. Horsey, Campbell and Sorrell. Back to League 2 action today for the Reds of Crawley after Tuesday's thrilling 4-3 win against Charlton. 10 places, but just 3 points separating the two sides this afternoon. So can Crawley grab the 3 points that will see them leapfrog their opponents from across the border? A very good afternoon, everybody, and a very warm welcome. And it is a warm welcome from a very hot, sticky, balmy Broadfield Stadium. We think it's about 90 odd degrees here, even in the shade, as we wait for the arrival of the two sides out onto the field of play for this Sky Bet League 2 fixture between Crawley and Newport County. Once again, it is myself, Gary Smith, and my summariser, Tony Vesey, all set to bring you all the action this afternoon. And until we await the arrival of the two sides out onto the field of play, gives me an opportunity to bring in my summariser for this afternoon. As always, former Crawley Town defender, Tony Vesey. Tony, first couple of things to say. It's hot this afternoon, isn't it? It's a little bit warm.
Yeah, it is, very much so. Really difficult conditions to play in, and you've certainly got to make sure you retain possession as much as possible, because you don't want to be chasing the ball around in this heat.
No. The ball forward by Newport has been intercepted. Lovely little 1-2-3. Here goes Campbell running towards the edge of the box. Support on the left-hand side from Nick Cerula. Cuts in field, right footed! Oh my goodness! He's done it again! Inside the opening 5 minutes, and Crawley worked it to the left-hand side of the penalty area, and Nick Cerula picked it up, and he cut in field onto his right foot. The goalkeeper will be thinking that he should have done better with it, but it's underneath him, and it squirms into the back of the net, and that man, Cerula! Out to that far side for Campbell. Forward it goes to Darcy. Cuts away from his man. Goes outside him again. Crossing opportunity. Fires it in. Carried away by the keeper. And on the rebound, Adam Campbell drives it home for his second Crawley Town goal. He got a goal last week at Stockport, and he's got a goal here at the Broadfield Stadium this afternoon. And Adam Campbell has found his shooting boots, and Crawley have found the back of the net. Bit of space. Everybody cranes their neck to see what the number 25 will do. Here's Campbell just outside the box. Adam Campbell has 2 goals this afternoon, and he's bent home an absolute beauty into the back of the net. Cerula found him just on the edge of the penalty area, and Adam Campbell has scored twice in the opening half of the second half, and there is daylight for Crawley Town, and they suddenly lead by 3 goals to 1, Tony.
Oh, what a great goal. I mean, we were directly behind it, Gary. As soon as he struck it, it was going in. Right in that top corner, the goalkeeper was never going to get anywhere near it. Jeremy did well, won the ball in the half, broke quickly. Gladwin out to Cerula. Campbell's just dropped into that little pocket on the edge of the pocket.
It's Gladwin, just outside the box, onto his left foot, drills it and scores it. And if the points weren't safe already, then they certainly are now, because the skipper has worked it onto his left foot. But Ben Gladwin, with just over 12 minutes left on the clock, has rolled one beyond the goalkeeper. He has his first of the season, and Crawley have a 4th goal. Crawley have a 4th goal and lead Newport County by 4 goals to 1.
Yeah, I'm pleased, and I think the reason why is because we work extremely hard. You know, I've worked hard, the staff have worked hard, we're in every day. You know, Carl Larriman's standing outside my house next to my car at 6 o'clock every morning, and we're ready to go and work, and we work extremely hard. We watch every single moment back of how we play. We break down the game in unbelievable detail. We watch the opposition play in unbelievable detail. The analyst is extremely hard working. Jamie Day is extremely hard working. The goalkeeping coach, if you saw his set piece meetings, it's incredible the work that everybody puts in. And you can only build a togetherness and a special kind of club and have a way of playing by having that hard work. If you don't have that hard work and that work ethic as individuals and as a team, you're not going to create anything. We've got that, and it's down to hard work.